Hello, students. Hope all of you are fit and fine at your home and enjoying your lockdown days. Here we are together to have some sharing the good thoughts, which is written by famous personalities. I am just conveying all these good thoughts by my words. Today's my title is A Life Booster. It looks strange that what does it means? What is life booster? In today's discussion, I would like to share some motivational thoughts, some good lines which might help us to develop ourselves, to develop our personality in today's scenario. I would like to start my discussion by tributing this entire session to one and only and my favorite actor, that is Sushant Singh Rajput. He's a very talented actor into the Bollywood, very hard working guy and a very handsome too. So let's start with the discussion. The first thing that I would like to share with all of you is that my first line is that don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. We are the unique piece. Why we are going to compare ourselves with the others? According to my point of view, if we are comparing ourselves with the others, then it is actually an insult of yourself. Every human being have their unique identity, their unique IQ, unique level of understanding and unique stability also. So my humble request to youngsters, that don't compare yourself with anybody in this world. Comparison always returns the result, and the results might be positive or might be negative. Generally, in our routines, we are comparing ourselves with others. We are looking towards them, that what they have wear, what they are discussing, what type of friend circles they have, many more things. Just be chill and live for you, not for the others. So, the first thing I would like to share with all of you is don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. It's an insult of yourself. Second, we all have the problems. As per my view, in this world, in Earth, I'm not talking about the moon or where the alien lives. In Earth, over the Earth, every human being have small to large problems. But God haven't created any problems without the solution. Every problem have hidden solutions. We have to just think about the solutions, and we need to implement a proper solution for the proper problem. Very good line written over there. None of the company manufactures a lock without the key. We disturbs whenever the key get lost. Try to find out where you have kept the key. Just find out that key. Automatically your lock, your problem will get open. Then try to laugh as much as you can. That means life laughs at you when you are unhappy, and life smiles at you whenever you are happy and whenever you makes other happy. ગુજરાતીની અંદર ખૂબ સરસ કહેવત છે, જો મન સ્વસ્થ તો સબ સ્વસ્થ. એવું પણ કહેવામાં આવ્યું છે કે આપણે સાધુ ના બનીએ તો સારું, પણ સીધા બનીએ. મીન્સ ઘરની અંદર જો આપણો ચહેરો હસતો હશે તો ઘરનું વાતાવરણ ઓટોમેટિકલી ફ્રેશ રહેશે, ઘરની અંદર તણાવ ઓછો થશે, તમારી ઉપર તણાવની અસર ઓછી થશે, અને તમે અને તમારા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સનું ડેવલપમેન્ટ તમે તમારી આંખે જોઈ શકશો. લેટ્સ મૂવ ટુ ધ another one. Every successful person has a painful story, and every painful story has a successful ending. Students, whenever you are starting the work, there is no deadline, but every work has to get completed, might be with success or might be with failure, but the efforts that you have given for that work is yours. No one can steal, no one can get your efforts. My humble request to all the youngsters is that whenever you are working on a particular thing, just accept the pain that you are getting from that work and get ready and tighten up your seat belt for getting the success. Every success has their pain. Every success have their stories. Now, generally, it is very easy to judge the mistake of others. This is the fact. It's very simple to tell that you have done the mistaken. But is we have recognized our mistake, that what you have done the mistake? Have you heard that particular person, he or she? Never. We always try to find out the mistakes of others. We are not recognizing the mistakes of ourselves. So I request, try to find out your mistake first and then try to show others that they are doing the mistakes. You don't believe that. If you do this, you will be very happy. ગુજરાતીમાં એમ કહેવામાં આવે છે કે આપણે કાંઈ કરીએ નહીં તો કાંઈ નહીં, પણ કોકને નડીએ તો નહીં જ. સો ટ્રાય ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ યોર મિસ્ટેક ફર્સ્ટ and then recognize the other's mistake. It makes you happy. Now, once you do the work, no one can go back and the change bad beginning. Once we have started the work, there might be possible that you have made a mistakes. You cannot roll back that mistakes, but anyone can start with the new beginning without the mistake. So, my dear students, we have a lots of time. We have every day. We have 24 hours. Just start a good things. Try to avoid the mistakes and make your life a very successful. The thing is that to make any work, to do any work, you need to start from somewhere. If you just sit idle and think that I would like to start and you are doing nothing for 24 hours, it's your failurity. Just wake up yourself, think about that you want to do. It might be anything related to the education, related to the entertainment, making help to the others, making help to the parents, teasing the friends. Many things we can do. But just you have to start something. Then, whenever the problem comes, generally we get afraid. Means, suppose you are going from your college to the home and someone stops you and asks your name. You got afraid. Why is asking me? I don't know. It's a problem. So, if a problem can be solved, no need to worry about it. Just tell your name and get out from that particular place. And if you are not telling your name to that particular person, then why to worry? Just go from that particular place. So, no need to worry whenever the problem comes. Just try to find out what will be the solution if you are into the trouble. Every human being have a sixth sense. Whenever you are driving your vehicle, someone suddenly comes in front of you. How simply we can pass that particular trouble? There is no lesson, there is no book for the same. Our sixth sense box, and simply you passed your scooter, your vehicle from that particular person or another vehicle. It's a solution. Now, every day, every human being are getting the opportunities. Sometimes, suppose you miss the opportunity that you got. Don't fill your eyes with the tears, because tears are salty and human beings don't like the salt, they like sweet. Just think what you have missed, and also just think what you are not going to miss in next day. So every day you will get the new opportunities. Try to recognize that particular opportunity and get it to be done by you with lots of good and positive efforts. Then, whenever you are talking to someone, whenever you are sharing with your ideas to someone, try to make your face very calm, because your face says everything. If an opposite person who is talking to you finds a worry on your face, he might understand that you get confused. I would like to say something in Gujarati. The words are, જો આપણે કોઈને કન્વિન્સ ના કરી શકીએ તો કન્ફ્યુઝ તો કરી જ નાખવા. It's a fact. It's a reality. Just try to convey whatever you think. But that particular person is not able to understand that. Make him confused. Make her confused. And one more thing. Generally, we are complaining to the others that he or she has not following me. Don't complain to the others. Just change yourself. World is not going to be changed for you. You have to change for the world. Just change yourself. You will be happy. Generally, whenever we have done the mistakes, I can understand that it's a painful. But whenever you make the mistakes, it is actually your experience. Try to collect your experience, note it down into the book, and whenever you found the same problem in front of you, don't make that particular mistake again, which leads you to the success. Many things I have discussed with you. The last which I like most is, try to be bold when you lose and be calm when you win. ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવત છે કે સફળતા મળે છકી ના જાઓ, નિષ્ફળતા મળે દુઃખી ના થાઓ. This is the lesson of life. Every human being have their unique identity. Maintain your identity for the market. Implement yourself in such a way that public search for you on Google. You don't have to search for the people on Google. At last, I would like to share with all of you that I am a technical guy. I am not a motivational speaker. But these are the few points. These are the few lines which I like most, which I have seen in the life, which makes me happy, which make me more efficient to work good, that I have shared with all of you. I hope all of you like this, and something might help you to get better than the best. At last, I would like to share with all of you that don't give up in your life. Be strong, be bold, collect the experience, and write down the stories. Thank you very much, students.